7 Common Mistakes You Should Avoid During House Construction. Hello friends, today we will talk about the 7 common mistakes you should avoid during house construction. Constructing a home is a time-consuming process that requires lots of planning and correct decision-making. Any wrong decision taken by the homeowner is irreversible. Thus, careful planning is required as far as designing, sourcing, and execution is concerned. If you are building your new home, then here are some mistakes that one must avoid. Do not go for a complicated design plan. Creating a perfect design plan for your home is a very hard thing. While designing the place, listen to your needs. We often complicate things by putting up unwanted stuff in the design plan. Make sure that the design plan revolves around simplicity. Do not make your choices based on the apartments of your friends or the ones you may have seen in architectural diaries. You can take inspiration from their homes, but avoid copying them as there are structural differences between the two places. Also, you are free to make changes in the design plan whenever the need arises. However, this should be done at a certain time period and must be done in consultation with the contractor and subcontractor. Be ready for unforeseen additional costs. It is important to be prepared for additional costs. No matter how carefully you plan your new home's construction, there are chances that you will have to bear unforeseen additional costs. Problems such as dry rot, termite damage, and bad soil can add up to your costs. It is important to clarify with your contractor as to who will bear the unforeseen costs in case your order materials get lost in transition. Inquire about the shipping costs too. Be careful while plotting selection. Usually, people go for houses with lots of corners or L or T-shaped plots. They do not consider the impact it would create on the walls and roofs of the house. Cutting on room size to save money. Usually, the construction costs are evaluated on the basis of average square foot cost. If the price is higher than our budget, then we tend to cut down room sizes. This might not lead to cost reduction. These last-minute modifications might turn out to be an expensive affair. Not incorporating hallways in the apartment. Make sure that there are wide hallways in the apartment. This will create a passage for the big items to pass through. Avoid incorporating too many hallways, as this is a sheer waste of space that will kill your privacy. Not taking professional help. Another mistake that people usually do is not to take help from professionals. It is essential that people do take the professional assistance of an architect or interior designer. This will reduce the chances of error while constructing a new home. Not considering the needs of the future family. Take into account how your future would evolve. Consider the needs of your family. Also, ensure that the rooms are spacious, so that the future needs of your family are met. The plan should be such that you don't regret in the future as to why you didn't make a bedroom on the ground floor and the like. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Lod's channel How to Make My House.